Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm going to have a play with these little black miniature canvas frames that I recently unboxed. I will pop a link to the unboxing up in the eye. But before I get into that, I've got some brand new paints. So I figured two birds, one stone. I will give you a little time lapse of me going in and doing some swatch testing of the paints, and then we'll get into a little bit of art after that. So nice little relaxing crafty afternoon for me, and hopefully you will either grab yourself a cuppa or something crafty to craft alongside me. So let's get into this time lapse. So the paints that I'm using here are the HIMI Gouache jelly paints. I got mine from Amazon. This particular set has 18 colours and retails around the £23 mark, although currently I've just checked and they are on offer at £13.50, which is pretty good. So yeah, you get 18 colours. They are individually packaged in 30ml pots, little jelly cups, and as you can see they did need a little bit of a mix just to prepare them because they had separated a bit in transit, and I expect that will be something that I will need to do every time I use them, just to ensure a consistent mix of pigment and paint. So they came out really lovely. You can get a really thick creamy paint if you use them as is, or more of a traditional watercolour if you add more liquid, as you can see from the swatches. This is the best bit of the swatches, is removing the tape to get those clean lines. So having never used jelly gouache before, my background is in more traditional pan watercolours. I thought I would just have a little play in my Bailey J sketchbook just to see what sort of effects I could get, how they layered, particularly the translucency or lack thereof of the colours. I was really interested to have a little practice with before we got started on our tiny canvas to do a little mini paint. Wasn't exactly sure what I was going to paint, but I just went in with a white watercolour pencil just to kind of map out my initial idea, and I thought about doing this little candle, which I thought set against the black of the canvas would be quite a nice idea, and yeah, hopefully might spark a little series. These canvases from Globleland were really lovely. They come in a set of 12 and they are $10.25, and there will be a link for those down in the description, and of course my discount code as well. So do go check them out. I think that they would work lovely, not just as tiny individual canvases, but also I could see them put together as a set. I did consider putting 4 canvases together and doing kind of a window where the negative space between the canvases would be the window frame. So maybe that is a plan for another day, or maybe even another video. But definitely these canvases mixed with the jelly gouache from HIMI worked really well together. I was very pleased with how the finished piece came together. And so, despite this being a completely new medium for me to be working in, I'm really pleased with what I've produced today, and I had great fun doing it. So it just goes to show it's always worth trying something new, because it could lead to new and exciting things. I am so tempted now to go on to create mini canvases to represent all of the 5 elements that are usually present on a witch's altar. I think that might be a fun project. These tiny little canvases are great for trying new ideas and knowing that you don't have a massive space to fill. You can just pick one little study of something and give it a go. I highly recommend it. Do check them out. Let me know what your favourite paint medium or art medium is down below in the comments, and let me know what you would paint on your mini canvas. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today, and until next time, stay crafty!